Yes guys, at Frankie TV I get the exclusive and I show you how the place look. Yeah. Look on that nice river here. Nice river. Water not so clean though. See this? Yeah, me I get the exclusive and as I show you how the place nice. As you can see, yeah, see the water. Nice water as I show you. Man, you don't know, as I tell you, say, you get around the, it's a tour, you know, yeah. All the place nice as I show you, you know. Real vibes in Jamaica with it, you know. Yeah. See that? See that? How close we get to the water. Come on, as you can see, yeah, me I show you. Nice water, you know, yeah. Alright. Yeah. Enjoyable water that me I show you, the river water that. Alright, yeah man. First me ever see that you know.
No man, the Baptist, yeah, the church are going on, the Baptist are going on early man.
Okay. In the water?
Yeah.
Okay.
People come swimming there.
Yeah, me remember that river.
One of the cement company.
Yeah. Guys, at a real tour this. You understand me I show you? Yeah, me I show you how the place nice. See the water here. The water kind of murky like it.
Fishing on that side there.
Oh.
But it says the water now flow fast enough.
Yeah, you see it?
You look on it?
Yeah.
Now it's stagnant.
Yeah.
It now flow fast enough like up at the head.
Oh.
So that's why they not prefer swim up that stuff.
Yeah, you have to swim up at the head for sure.
Don't just have perch and swim.
I'm not sure what the name of this road here where we're there now. Watch it.
I think that's Scotch's part, but you can Google it when you go up and put it in.
Okay. Yeah man, for real. Guys, as I tell you, say the place nice, me I tell you, real vibes. Real vibes, no joke about it, you know, no doubt about it, are the real. Yeah, enjoyable place man, as I tell you, it's a road trip.
Porus.
Yeah, Porus is true, yeah. As I tell you, say, pour them, pour, yeah.
Not pour us,
yeah, pour them. Yeah man, as I show you. Real vibes man, as I show you the place nice man.
You bring water boy?
Mountain this. That's what I show you.
Oh, you may say, yeah, just get out of water, because it's sweet.
Yes, look as I show you guys. Yeah, orange palm board.
Star apple.
Star apple. King.
But now, no.
Yeah, man,
when the fruit were in a season.
Yeah, man.
Come check right there.
Real.
Highway price. Reasonable now, kill you.
True. Road tour, country vibes, as well. I show you the place nice, real vibes, you know. And a back a wall again, you understand? Everything up to the time, Wi-Fi up, everything up, you understand?
Low vegetation.
Yes, I. See over here, as well, I show you.
Upgrade from bush now, vegetation.
Welcome to Berrydale community. Understand? Yeah man, we have to say hooray for that road trip, because that road trip is nice, I'm not telling a lie. Yeah, enjoy the road trip this man. As you say, you can see Saturday, yeah, road trip. Right along the place, as we may tell you, say real vibes, you know, yeah? One man there, Chop Road.
Late.
How that may I say? As far as you can see the hill, that's where we're climbing, because that's Mandeville. Yeah, and the yeah, and the realness, them would have called it Caldeville. You see how the place there? Just like that, man, and the real vibes of the mountain.
Welcome to Galchester.
Alright, just like that. Bright and sunny day. May I tell you, the place is really nice. Coming, so may I show you to be continued, just like that, you know. Yeah, real. Alright. We're there on Melrose Hill, or Melrose bypass. As when I show you guys, gear spin around make you see my face clear, yeah? And the gear next spin around to show you the place, yeah? As when I show you, the hill this way on, you know. I'm going to give a joke about this hill now. You see if your car no fit, if you don't have a fit car, you know, overheating kill you. Me I tell you about it.
Come to know the toll now. Meet right as the new toll.
Yeah.
Meet right as a...
Oh. Yeah, and the new toll I got meet right here.
Go through, yeah.
Yeah.
So yes, there will be an overheat bridge.
Okay.
So you can see the cut rope on the side there.
Yeah.
And you look on the side there, you see you go way back.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, see the guys them at work, yeah man, continue the journey. Yeah.
And that's a return leg. So the going leg now up more.
Up more, okay.
Yeah.
Vibes, man. As when I show you the place nice, guys. Yeah, Melrose Hill. Yeah. Exclusive vibes we are get to them.
The money I spend on the road in Jamaica. I don't like the Chinaman, they might reach out for we have for the toll and see say we need it. So
yeah man, they
might do the right thing.
Just like that.
Yeah.
As we go rain set up down a mobile. Oh, yeah.
Toll like dip on the side now, so.
Yeah.
When you got a mobile from that side, you know, you have to go through one only by hustling and problem.
True.
Just hit the highway.
True. See? Yeah.
Yeah, man. We come up on the next famous spot again with them called Yam Park.
Yeah.
You buy a yam and saltfish. You roast yam or you roast breadfruit.
Just like that. Oh yeah, up on the hilltop there, so. Yeah, man.
Call it yam park.
But I give you a joke about the roast here now. You know say I don't like it.
I'm not too dig it neither, you know.
Yeah, because sometimes it have a bitter taste sometimes.
That's how the yam now. Right, the yam now. Full as them when I say, and the yam now ripe, you know.
Yeah.
Them pick the yam when the yam young.
But, oh, okay, so I eat this now.
Yeah, over here, so.
Okay.
Them call it yam park.
Yeah, man, yam park for choose the
Melrose,
sign.
yeah. They have turn go over there now, the amount of people rush up.
That's true, man.
I should be yam park, but true, I not dig it and we just shell on some juicy patty.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just.
Them always say anytime you get an experience of a food still, you know, if you just do it, and if it don't suit you for the first try, you have to do it at least 3 tries before you
give up on it.
Yeah, you give up on it. But anything when make it the first try and me not like it, you know.
Too follow it.
No man, me can't follow it up.
Means that man will too surprise my stomach neither, because I don't know if me never get immunized properly or what, but me have a good immune system to them. So.
Yeah, for real.
It's a good thing me have to do a bathroom stuff, so I'm not too surprised my stomach with them food. So.
Well, true.
So me easy to get food poisoning and my body don't react to certain.
Just like that, man, the real vibes, man. But as we may show you guys, the place really nice, man. Me I tell you about it, the real
We
vibe.
just reach halfway our journey. We're not in a year, because we don't know where we go. Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday.
But as we tell you, beach, river, everything a fly now. Drone a fly, car a fly, plane a fly, everything a fly today. Yeah, so we're not feeling no yes.
Right now, a truck in front of we are flying.
Just
me I go 120 that, and him in front of me, that means him I go 130 or 140.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, man.
Real talk, man.
Flying. Go around the corner them like a car in my drive. So.
And that me I say, and you see all them pallet they were strapped down. It's a dangerous thing that, you know.
Dangerous hazardous.
Yeah, man. One tilt out of that, car done,
Yeah, man.
Anything that run back on that done. And me I tell you about it, don't joke about it. Yeah, man, I get a real vibes, man. The place real nice. That's what I show you guys. Enjoyable time we are spent on the road. You understand? And the road trip, what? Overtake, what?
We do it, man.
What?
Watch him. Exclusive.
What?
Watch him. I tell you, fly man, come here, go 120 as I say today. A truck I put truck on the road, run truck off the road. Yeah, man.
You must show him say him heavier than him.
Yeah, but this one I have to drive with more caution.
Yeah, explosive.
As I say, it's either gas or gasoline or kerosene or him having a fuel belly. And you can't do the idleness like the first one.
True.
And him have loads, so him can't break up like the first one.
Just like that. Real vibes, man. I was going to show you. Enjoy yourself today.
This is the first we're going about now. Yeah, down there. Around this okay, you got Mile Gully.
Yeah.
In a Galchester or Manchester.
Yeah.
Down okay, you go. Run a one part, run a one place. You continue upon the straight and narrow.
And I see a nar barrel, you know the thing set, you know. Yeah, man, real vibes, man.
So my time to take the truck to the cars. And then now go to the same place.
You can see around in clear before you have to look out for the cops them to you, because you don't know. When I need the ticket in the sack there, none at all. And we know so them not sleep, you know. Yeah? We are work, them are work, everything are work.
Everything are work.
Yeah, man. I tell you guys, the place really nice as well. You can see right around the view. You understand? As far as I'm there, show you the hill. As far as you can see.
Still have more hill to take on.
Yeah, man. beautiful scenery. How the place look. Real vibes, man, may I tell you.
It's a mud, it's like it blow off on the truck. You couldn't just drive over that. It's a BMW.
Continue just like that, you know. Keep it real, the road tour video, yeah, just like that. Yeah, man, and Frankie TV I get the exclusive, you know. Yeah, we are give a taxi story. Ken, the taxi man them on the road where them say drive hard on the road. And what them foot now have no brakes.
No brakes, then a straight gas like ding dong say. Gas.
Yeah, man, I real talk, man, because me say a two thing make taxi man stop a road, you know.
Punch a tire and police are taking it.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
All when the vehicle tire not have no ear, them man are rim it. Yeah, man, them man no play with the road, man, me I tell you, man.
Police are right, then them take too long to tell them say boss you have to keep them papers there.
Just like that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, at the speed, man, them man are foot hot.
Hard foot a road.
Yeah, man. Remember one I time I see couple driver, anytime them stop, you know, the car done, you know.
Yeah, man.
Cause then crash it up on the one if you come with the wrecker come take
Metal
up that, you
chichi.
know.
Yeah, man. Metal. Yeah, man. All the place on them the vehicle and look at the top. And they're gonna mind shot and use a beer box and sink. Yeah, man.
Real vibes, man. Show you how the road look as.
Yeah, Spurtree, we ever take her now, the famous Spurtree. Yeah, take her now. Yeah. Holy marine and thing, man.
Ah, so them road are stay, man. Them people don't play with the road, man.
Yeah, the road, man.
Tell you about it, guys. As well, I show you the place nice, man. You can see it. You understand? So you say we are come up to here now?
Right up to Spurtree.
Yes, yeah.
Famous Spurtree, brother. You have to keep your finger crossed on the road when you take on the road.
True, you know.
The road, good road and bad road. Because we are going down Spurtree right now. And you see a truck on the side pull over, you know. Turn over, you can drink a beer, drink a dragon or drink a soda.
Just like that.
Sometimes a bun truck, you can take a bun or something. Yeah, but next time, the car man over the crime scene.
Just like that.
Lose control, yeah man, the road haunted. From back in the days, some nanny and the maroon and some shot them a walk them road haunted.
True.
Yeah man, you have to be extra careful when you're on them road.
True. We'll let him go.
Same belly this time. Because I same belly this day when I let him in front of me.
No, it's careful now. Yeah, the song. Wap, 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 wap. Yeah, man, that's have to give me a now. Yeah, man.
It's Spurtree and dangerous road.
Yeah. But then at the red dirt style, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
Red girl style. Yeah, vibes. Show you the place nice.
Everything
True.
it's full of car marks.
Yeah, man.
You know you're going to with that car marks.
Like them say, this is the money there. And this is the money I wash. Dirty money.
This is the money I wash.
Yeah, man. Real vibes. To an end now, yeah, to continue, just like that, you know. Keep it real, the road tour video, yeah, just like that. Enemy, look out, look out. Friendly me, look out, a friend killer, friend killer.